Students, this is lesson number 9, Aspects of Indian Constitution. So what is the central idea? The Constitution of India is considered as a distinctive constitution around the globe. It is the largest written liberal democratic constitution of the world. It offers for a mixture of federalism and unitarianism and flexibility and with rigidity. The Constitution of India was outlined by a Constituent Assembly. This assembly was an indirectly chosen body. It has laid down certain ideas to be included in the Constitution. These ideas included commitment to democracy, guarantee to all the people of India, justice, equality, and freedom. It had also proclaimed that India will be a democratic republic. India is a secular state because it does not discriminate between individuals on the basis of religion. Neither it encourages nor discourages any religion. In contrast, right to freedom of religion is ensured in the Constitution, and people belonging to any religious group have the right to acknowledge, practice, or propagate any religion they like. So, what are the features of the Indian Constitution? Preamble of the Constitution. The Constitution of India initiates with a preamble. The preamble consists of the ideas, objective, and basic principles of the Constitution. The salient features of the Constitution have developed directly and indirectly from this objective, which flow from the preamble. Fundamental rights and duties. The Constitution of India grants and guarantees fundamental rights to its citizens. It is called the Indian Bill of Rights. Initially, 7 fundamental rights were granted, but after the delegation of the right to property from the list of fundamental rights, their number came down to 6. Federalism in India. The Constitution of India provides for the division of power between the union and the state government. It also fulfills some other features of federalism, such as the rigidity of the constitution, written constitution, a bicameral legislature, independent judiciary, and supremacy of the constitution. Thus, India has a federal system with unitary bias. Parliamentary forms of government. India has a parliamentary form of government. India has a bicameral legislative with 2 houses named Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In parliamentary form of government, there is no clear-cut separation of power of legislative and executive organs. In India, the head of the government is Prime Minister. Single citizenship. Constitution of India provides for single citizenship to every individual in the country. No state in India can discriminate against an individual of another state. Moreover, in India, an individual has the right to move to any part of the country or live anywhere in the territory of India except certain places. Integrated and independent judiciary. The Constitution of India provides for an integrated and independent judicial system. The Supreme Court is the highest court of India with authority over all the other courts in India, followed by high courts, district courts, and lower courts. To protect the judiciary from any influence, the Constitution has laid down certain provisions such as the security of tenure and fixed service conditions for judges, etc. Universal adult franchise. In India, every citizen who is above the age of 18 years has the right to vote without any discrimination on the ground of caste, race, religion, sex, literacy, etc. The universal adult franchise removes social inequalities and maintains the principle of political equality to all the citizens.